Hi, I'm Brett, and welcome to Sony Simplified. Thanks for joining me today. As always, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. So if you own the new Sony Mark 6 headphones, you know just how incredible these are. I mean, they sound amazing. The noise canceling is just absolutely the best I've ever heard. But did you know that you can have them automatically adapt to the environment or location you're in? How's that for cool? So today I'll show you how to activate adaptive sound control. To do this, you'll need to download the Sony Connect app from your device's app store. Pretty straightforward. Okay, if you already have it, make sure the app is up to date. So next, you're going to want to make sure that your M6s are connected to your phone. Just by whatever standard Bluetooth procedure you do, should be pretty straightforward. Knock that out first. Okay, once you've done that, open the Sony Sound Connect app. Should look like this, like the screen to the right here. You'll see a picture of your headphones on there. You know you're ready to rock once you see that. Okay, next, look for the Adaptive Sound Control tab. It should be towards the middle, as you see on the screen here. Click on that. You'll see Adaptive Sound Control and Optimize for switching. Make sure both of those are toggled on. Or click. Okay. The app will ask for location permission. You must allow location-based settings for this to work. The app needs to know where you're at if everything else to follow is going to work. So if you don't want to give the app permission, you can probably stop there. But assuming that you've clicked yes, it's okay for the app to know location. At this point, the magic is that you can be done at this point because everything will take place automatically. There's preset settings in there. Your headphones will automatically switch between the optimum noise canceling or ambient sound control level for staying, walking, running, or when in a vehicle. I find the default settings for each are pretty spot on, so I haven't tweaked these past this. But I know there's a lot of you out there that are just, I can never fine tune it up. The automatic settings are fine. I know what I want. So it's only got you covered. You can customize the settings for each of these prefabricated activities by clicking on the gear in the lower right-hand corner, like you see on the screen. And this is where you can tweak the balance between ambient sound control and noise canceling for each of those 4 pre-baked states. If you really want to get fancy, you can also register specific places by scrolling down to automatic switching and click on the gear icon, as you see on the screen. From here, you can have the app learn your location. So if there's, say, a certain coffee shop that you go to all the time, and you just want it to have your perfect blend of ambient and noise canceling for that specific environment, the app will kind of start to learn where you go most, and there'll be a list of them in there, and you can register those locations and then tweak each one, according to your taste. If you're really fancy, if you're just like the tweaker of tweakers, you can go in to a map. You can see on the lower right-hand side here, you can go into a map and pick on specific locations off a map. So if there's some forest glen you go to, and you just have to have that perfect blend of noise canceling and ambient sound control, it'll be like, oh, we are. So you can register things off a map. How's that for fancy? All right, that was it. See how easy it was? If you own any Sony products, don't forget to register them. Advantages to you for registering are you'll know when there's firmware updates available. I always recommend keeping your Sony products up to date with firmware, not the least of which because sometimes they'll actually add features that weren't on the product when you bought it. You heard me right. So your product could end up doing something that wasn't there the day you bought it because they figured out, oh, hey, we can make this thing do this and we'll push it down. They actually do it surprisingly often. It also makes support calls easier. So if there's ever you ever have to call for any reason, they'll know who you are and what you had. If you want more information, definitely check out the Sony support channel. There's lots of great videos on there and more coming all the time. Definitely tune in for more Sony Simplified videos. There's a bunch we've already done. We're doing more all the time, including a few that I've done. On that note, what future Sony Simplified topics would you like to see? We make these for you, so let us know. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Brett with Sony. Thank you for watching.